Welcome back, everybody. I built a new truck this morning. The answer will go to the abandoned house, the kicker, the first rocket launcher, the first engine, then the switch track, then it would go to the second engine, then it would go to the loop, then the second launcher, then the second rocket launcher, then the ramp. I tested out with 5 new chords. Let's meet your 5 new chords. There is Skydome, T-Tray, 24 hours, Radical Racer, and Singsa. Because he's a champion. This guy destroys the launcher. His name is Two-Headed Monster Man Alien. This is Wonder Woman from Flashpoint. She will start the engine. See who can make it through the track. Singsa!